So in this case, we're going to find the volume of a rectangular prism. So volume's all that stuff inside that rectangular prism. So if I were to fill that up with water or with blocks, I want to know how much it can hold inside that figure, not on the outside, inside that figure. So when we find volume, we use volume equals the length times the width times the height. What's cool about this, because we're multiplying, you can do any way you want as long as you're multiplying all three of these numbers. Does not matter what order you multiply them in. Does not matter which one you call the length, width, or height. In this case, I'm going to call the length 10, the width 8, and the height 3. Remember, for multiplying, you can do really any way you want to multiply. You can say 10 times 3 first, you can do 10 times 8 first, or you can do 8 times 3 first. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to do 10 times 8 first. 10 times 8 gives me 80. Bring down the number I did not use, which is the 3. And I'm going to do 80 times 3, 240. I'm in centimeters, so 240 centimeters, and you have to be careful. Volume, your measurement is to the power 3 or cubed. Make sure it's not to the power 2. Make sure it's not to the power 1. It has to be to the power 3 because it's volume. Think about it like this. We're multiplying 3 different numbers. Length times width times height. So that's why I have to the power 3.